Today we look at how to create AND or limit switches with Arduino for your projects. Okay, we start with a new blank sketch in Arduino IDE. Then we include a servo library at the first line, create a servo object named myServo, and variable to hold value of current servo position. In setup, I assign servo to pin 9, and into loop I add 2 while cycles, one for clockwise and second for counterclockwise movement. After couple wiring, I upload the sketch to Arduino and power it up. After this tryout, I continue programming with a button logic. I set the switch-related variables to header and tell Arduino that pin 2 will be input. Finally, I add a new nested while cycle to stop servo movement when button is pushed to each while cycle. And with a new sketch uploaded to Arduino, it's a time to plug power on. You can see that everything working properly, and when button is pressed, then servo stops rotating. Now you can add one button to your actuator minimum position and the other to its maximum position. Extend the code to support input from 2 buttons and use this for example for trailer tipping. If you want wiring diagram for 1 and 2 button solutions, corresponding codes, part list plus where to buy them, please consider supporting this channel at Patreon. And as always, thank you for watching. If you like video, you can click the thumb up or share or subscribe the channel. And once again, thank you for watching.